Right, this is the hedge I'm looking at cutting. It's a Red Robin and it's about 2.5 metres wide. It's quite narrow near this end here. So I'm hoping to take about 1/3 of the width, and here's my helper. He won't be much help at all. We'll see how we go. So here we are, all done. Taken about 1 metre off the width. Took us a couple of hours. Haven't taken anything off the top yet. We'll be doing that. I'll just give it a little bit of time to recover from this before I hit the top. But at least now I won't need a 2.5 metre plank to get on top of it. So looking a lot better now. It's still got a bit of grain to do. And where's my friend, the dog that was helping? Well, he's obviously got better things to do.